Hello guys, how are you doing? And welcome back to a new video of TechBoost. Today we are unboxing and audio testing the JBL Flip 4. It is a waterproof Bluetooth speaker for around $100. So if you are looking for a decent speaker for the upcoming summer, pay attention please. The packaging of the JBL Flip 4 looks and feels very premium, and the flap of the box is closed with a little magnet on it. When you open it, you will see two boxes on the top, a big one and a small one. Under these boxes we find the JBL Flip 4, and the inside of the box is provided with some foam, so the speaker is firmly in the box. So let's get back to the accessories, because I did not tell anything about the contents of the boxes. In the small box there is a micro USB cable to charge your speaker. It is an orange cable, so it should be notable when you have to search it up in a bunch of black cables. Although the included USB charging cable is of a proper length compared to the annoyingly short cables that often come with portable speakers, there is no included 3.5 cable for the audio input. And the other box contains a manual and other descriptions. It's actually the stuff that we never look at. It's actually all the important information we need to look at before we turn on the speaker. My first impression of the speaker is that the build quality is very durable because of the nylon braided grille around the whole speaker. The sides are made of some hard rubber, so they can also function as a perfect stand. So this is a Bluetooth speaker, but what are the other specifications? Well, the JBL Flip 4 has an IPX7 rating, and that means it's a full waterproof speaker that can be submerged up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes. But the speaker does not float. So if you drop it from a boat or something, you better keep your goggles ready. JBL claims that the speaker will last for 12 hours with a 3000 mAh battery, but you can always save your summer day with a simple power bank. Now let's talk about the buttons on top. In total there are 4 buttons, and these are the play button, the volume up and down, and the Bluetooth button you need to press for pairing the speaker to your device. On the other side of the speaker there is the power button that will turn blue when the speaker is on. And the other button is the JBL Connect Plus pairing button. This button makes it possible to link up more than 100 JBL speakers to amplify a party, unless the other speakers also have JBL Connect Plus. Near the Connect Plus button there are some connections that are closed for water, and these are the audio input. As I said before, the audio cable is not included, and the other connection is the charging connection. A very important question is, how does the JBL Flip 4 sound? In my opinion, it sounds good in comparison with other Bluetooth speakers on the market. The speaker has a good bass and it's pretty loud for its size, so it's totally worth the money. So let's start the audio test in 3, 2, 1.
So I put them underneath me. I do not surrender, choose, kill me now, free me. Moving through the night, we came to fight, don't make it easy. Hold up, got an army full of gladiators, monsters, hairdressers, guys looking like some rosters. Honestly, there ain't enough power on your roster. You and your mob, we are just some flash mobsters. Turn up, we can turn this sound out. This a revolution, pick a side, nigga, townhouse. You can hear a battle cry from about a mile out. We just some kids that fell through the cracks. This a war and we accept that. Try to set the bar high like BMX. We on point, y'all never there. Keep your eyes peeled, monsters are everywhere. The devil already know there's only about 2 ways this will go. I can't have control, cause I am giving away my soul.
Let me know what you think of the JBL Flip 4 and if you're going to buy it or not. For now, thanks for watching, and leave a like and subscribe to my channel if this video helped you out. I see you guys in my next video on TechBoost.